Talking peanuts now, a devastating peanut disease is making its way through Argentina. Now OSU Extension and the USDA are teaming up, trying to stop the disease before it makes its way to Oklahoma.
Peanut smut is a fungal disease, first discovered in Brazil and then later reported in Argentina. Right now it has taken over the entire growing region for Argentina and is present in every peanut field. The fungus can be very disruptive. Sometimes it can devastate the crop to the point of 50% to 75% yield loss.
The farmers don't know it because there's no above ground symptoms. What happens is these spores are very resistant and they end up in the soil. They germinate when a peanut plant peg sends down a peg to form a peanut kernel. And that's when they get infected. You get a pod, it's fairly normal looking, but when you open it up, it's full of spores instead of peanut kernels. And that can occur at various degrees, so you could have a complete replacement of the peanut kernel with the black spores, or just little bits of black spores in there. It can contaminate seed, so if you were to import seed.
It's not in the United States right now. It's not been reported here. We're in the process of growing the accessions out in the greenhouse. We do this every year. We send them to Argentina in late August. We plant in Argentina somewhere in October, November time frame.
It's hard to do research on because the smut is inside the kernel. So I know they've gone down there and tried to evaluate lines, and boy, it's labor intensive because you got to crack every one of them open.
This is our third year of testing. Some of the accessions that we're testing this year have been tested for 3 years and have shown 0% incidence of disease. We have about 30 to 40 lines that we're looking at that we're carrying over from year to year out of about 500 that we've tested so far that are showing some significant resistance. So we've actually made a lot of progress in a very short period of time. We're finding this resistance in accessions of the germplasm collection, and those accessions are not ready to cultivate. You can't grow them and be profitable or sustainable. So what we have to do is get that resistance from those accessions into peanuts that can be grown by the producers here and make them a profit, and will be disease resistant so that they're not affected by, an outbreak if it should occur. I could not do my work without my partnership with Oklahoma State. It's a very productive partnership. It's essential to the work that I do, and it's essential for the sustainability of the peanut producer in Oklahoma.